As time began to blur, like a startling sign that fate had finally found me, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I